Every year tells a story. 2025 was not just another year for Hawaii LED Screen. It was a year of growth, innovation, and new beginnings. 2025 marked a true milestone. Hawaii proudly launched India's first exclusive LED screen showroom in Coimbatore. Our journey continued with the launch of a new Hawaii LED screen showroom in Hyderabad, along with our next-level Hyderabad service center. At Hawaii, service is not an option, it's a commitment. Through the Hawaii Service Campaign, we reach customers directly at their locations, providing on-site service and support to ensure every Hawaii LED screen performs at its best. 2025 also brought powerful innovations. Globe LED screen, our all-new 3-in-1 LED standee, and black LED technology, redefining visual excellence with unmatched contrast and brightness. At Hawaii, growth goes beyond products. It's about knowledge. In 2025, we conducted multiple training and learning sessions to empower our partners and customers. We took innovation to the spotlight by participating in major exhibitions across India, showcasing the future of LED technology. Across cities and industries, Hawaii LED Screen powered impactful projects, from massive outdoor displays to precision indoor solutions. Every project reflected our promise of quality and reliability. But our greatest achievement remains the same: the trust of our customers. Their confidence and belief in Hawaii drive us forward every single day. And behind that trust is a team that never stops giving its best. We came together for the Hawaii Annual Meet, and through the awards of the year, we honored our top performers, recognizing the passion and commitment that power every Hawaii LED screen. And beyond the awards, Hawaii Fest was about joy, energy, and togetherness, creating memories, strengthening bonds, and celebrating the people behind our success. We proudly marked a historic milestone with the stone-laying ceremony of our new building. This new foundation stands as a symbol of our growth, vision, and the future we are building together. And this is just the beginning. The future is brighter, bigger, and more powerful than ever. Hawaii LED Screen, shaping the future.